Friday 17, 2019. Starting working on a new sculpture, and sculpture is gonna be, I open a hole, need to clean it up real quick, and I'm gonna install this hand here, which, thank you Onyx, which says number one, a symbol for number one. But what is number one? What does it mean to you? What does it mean to me? So I need to go start doing some research, and so this is how I saw a hand in a big store. So I got it, and I'm just gonna incorporate that, maybe a 3D printing of somebody asking a question, what is number one. But I was very curious about, what is inside a floppy disk, so I opened one. Of course, I had to open one. So what it is a film. It's a film. It's a circle film. Take it off real quick. Very simple film where we have all our important information, and it's on both sides protected by this type of material. Very simple technology now, but it used to be, where all our important information was held. Now we use it as recycled material for sculptures and art. So I may use this one. I'll probably put it underneath here, so we don't waste it, or we'll see how it works.